Welcome back students. Today we will take part 4 of topic patterns. In the previous videos we already learned about these types of topics patterns. Now today we will take number pattern. Let's start. Number pattern generally are of two types, repeated patterns and growing pattern. In growing pattern they are in two form, increasing and decreasing. Let's start with repeated pattern. In repeated pattern, number repeats in a definite order. For example, here the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 1, 2. So after observing the previous, we see after 2 there is 3. So here also after 2 there is 3, then 4. Now another example. Here the numbers are 4, 5, 9, then again 4, 5. So after observing previous, we will notice there is 9 after 5. So here also there is 9, then again 4. So in repeated pattern we observe the pattern and try to find out next one. Now growing pattern. Growing patterns generally are of two types, increasing and decreasing pattern. Let's start with increasing pattern. In increasing pattern, number increase in a definite order. Now let's take an example. Here few numbers are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now there is 11 after 10. So if we add plus 1 with 10, answer is 11. Then 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So what will come next? Yes, we add 1 with 14 and there is 15. So in this example, the pattern of plus 1 is followed. Now another example. Here numbers are 12, 14, 16. So in this pattern 12 then 14. So if we add 2 with 12, the answer is 14. Again if we add plus 2 with 14, answer is 16. So if we add plus 2 with 16, it's 18. Then again we add plus 2 with 18, answer is 20. So in this pattern number increases and it follow the rule of plus 2. Now another example. In increasing pattern number increases. So here number increases from 20 to 25, then 30, 35 and 40. So we have to find out next one. So in this example, if we add plus 5 with 20, answer is 25. Then again we add 5 with 25, answer is 30. So we add plus y, then 35. Then again we add plus 5 with 35, answer is 14. So 40 plus 5 is 45. So in this pattern, the rule of plus 5 is followed. Now with decreasing pattern. In decreasing pattern, number decreases in a definite order. Here number decreases from 38 to 37, then 36, 35, 34 and it follows some rule. Let's take a look. 38, then 37. If we subtract 1 from 38, answer is 31. 7. Again, if we subtract 1 from 37, answer is 36. 36 minus 1 is 35. 35 minus 1 is 34. Then again, if we subtract 1, then 34 minus 1 is 33. So in this pattern, number decreases and it follows the rule of minus 1. Let's take another example. Here numbers are 40, then 36 and 32. So here number decreases and it follows some rule. Now try to find out 40, then 36. If we subtract 4 from 40, answer is 36. Again we minus 4 with 36, answer is 32. So here the rule of minus 4 is followed. Now 32 minus 4 is 28. 28 minus 4 is 24. 24 minus 4 is 20. 20 minus 4 is 60. So in this pattern, number decreases and it follows the rule of minus 4. Now let's take one more example. Here number decreases. Numbers are 50, 48, 46, 44, 42. Now 50, then 48. So if we subtract 2 from 50, answer is 48. Again if we minus 2 from 48, answer is 46. Again 46 minus 2 is 44. 44 minus 2 is 42. Then 42 minus 2 is 40. So in this example, number decreases and it followed the rule of minus 2. So thank you for today.